Speaking of upcoming designs, we have another design patent here from Apple. This recently got issued. I don't know if you ever saw that video, the slow-mo guys video, Will, where it showed the ejection of the water from the Apple Watch. Mm-hmm. And this is when you go swimming with the Apple Watch, and it's able afterwards to use some pretty cool technology to spit the water that's inside out using a speaker. It uses a speaker to vibrate and emit specific sounds that push the water out. I mean, this is maybe it's never been captured as well as the slow-mo guy's capable of. Gavin on that particular clip right there. It's really cool. See the way it's vibrating, pushing the water out. So obviously you can go swimming with the Apple Watch. You're probably not swimming with your iPhone for the time being. The iPhone has its own water resistance built in, but it's not to the same level. And it's lacking features like that the watch has. But this patent actually aims to bring that type of functionality to the phone. A water ejection system for the iPhone. So all of a sudden now, you go surfing with the phone.
I can now.
Yeah, you go surfing with the phone.
Yeah.
I know you're big into that.
Big surfer.
I know you like to catch a wave here and there.
Yeah.
From what I understand.
Yeah. Gnarly waves.
Yeah. No, what is it? What's the new one? You're stoked for that.
A new one?
Yeah, new one.
What the kids say? Yeah.
You see a gnarly wave and get stoked.
Cowabunga?
Willie do 2020. You understand? All those trips you take down to Hawaii. I know what you're up to. Yeah, I know what you're up to.
Oh, you caught me.
Yeah, I got you. So this shows a water ejection system built into the iPhone, similar technology found in Apple Watch Series 2 and later. Speaker and a sensor module with hydrophobic coating repels water, which would make an iPhone even more waterproof and also prevent the speakers from failing right after they come in contact with liquids. This is a patent at the moment. We don't know how long this would take to show up in an iPhone, but you could have a futuristic surf-proof iPhone.